The all-new Jimny was developed to embody the concept of a compact four-wheel drive with functional beauty and the off-road performance to explore all corners of the world. Since the launch of the first-generation model in 1970, it's been the world's smallest and toughest one and only compact off-roader with authentic four-wheel drive technology. The Jimny can maneuver through places inaccessible to larger vehicles and enter harsh environments other vehicles fear to tread. In developing the vehicle, we interviewed professional users to understand their requirements and requests to go into forests and rough roads. We also had Jimny enthusiasts drive prototypes off-road to use their feedback in developing its off-road performance and functional requirements. Characteristics such as the ladder frame, four-wheel drive with low-range transfer gear, and rigid axle suspensions were inherited and enhanced to boost performance, riding comfort, and driving stability. The Jimny was designed top to bottom for reliable driving and ease of handling in all regions, serving everyone from daily commuters through leisure users to professionals. The design concept is functional beauty designed for professionals. The Jimny's rectangular body affords superb awareness of the vehicle's stance and its surroundings. The interior was designed with practicality uppermost in mind, with functionality in every detail. Many design elements were inherited from past legends, creating a distinct Jimny look. The new Jimny has been crafted for a stylish yet familiar design. The all-new Jimny is packed with the equipment and functions its global fans love. It's been designed to be nothing less than the best in the history of the Jimny. The all-new Jimny, crafted to exceed all expectations.